Hello friends, in continuation with our fitness journey, we will discuss out some basic yoga poses in today's exercise session. So let's start. These are basic yoga poses for beginners. First is child pose. This pose increases your flexibility to your body. Very easy and basic yoga pose. Continuing with second is cat pose, helps to increase your flexibility of upper body part. Third one is cow pose. Very easy and basic yoga pose. As you are starting your fitness journey with yoga, then these are the best yoga poses. Fourth one is downward facing dog pose. Repetition of it will increase your flexibility at your spine level. Repeating this fourth one with a little bit of twist as you mark out, you will find a little difference. So, downward facing dog, fifth one. Transferring to our sixth yoga pose, that is mountain pose, will increase your strength from forward ways and from sideways. As you see, you can maintain this pose for a second and helps in increasing your strengthening. Next yoga pose that we are discussing will help you to increase your stability and your strengthening, that is chair pose. This is also a basic yoga pose, will help you increase your body stability along with strengthening. Next basic yoga pose will help to increase your strengthening, stability and flexibility, that is runner's pose. If you maintain this pose for a second, will definitely help you out. Getting back to your starting position and maintaining this pose and shifting this will definitely help to increase your flexibility, stability and strengthening. Now we are going towards next basic yoga pose, that is upward facing dog. This will help to increase your stability at your best. Maintaining this pose will help to maintain your body stability. Shifting this yoga pose to our next yoga pose, that is low plank pose. This will help you out to increase your stability from standing starting position and getting shifting to low plank position will help to increase your stability at your upper body level, your full body strengthening and coordination between your muscles and nerves. Moving towards next pose, this is very calming and soothing and relaxing basic yoga pose, that is hero's pose. This will help you out for soothing your muscles, nerves after your exercise session. This will be a relaxing pose. Our next basic yoga pose is runner's lounge. There is a little bit difference between runner's pose and runner's lounge. As you will see the positions of runner's pose and runner's lounge, you will see the difference, and by considering the difference you can do the poses. Next is low lounge. This will help to increase your stability. Shifting this to our next basic yoga pose, that is warrior one. Also a basic yoga pose will help to increase your stability. Now going towards our next basic yoga pose, that is warrior 2. This will help in strengthening and stability increase to your body. Now going towards our next pose, that is extended side angle pose, will help you out to increase your stability and strengthening basically. Now towards our next pose, that is reverse warrior. These all are basic yoga poses that you can shift from one to another and making a chain of it. Our next pose, triangle pose, will basically help to increase your stability. Now towards our next basic pose, that is revolved side angle pose. Similar to triangle pose but with a little bit difference. Moving towards next basic yoga poses that will help to relax your body, relax your muscles, soothing of your nerves. This is pigeon pose. Moving towards the ending of our exercise session, this pose will help, will make your body relax, your nerves. In this chain, our next basic yoga pose is meditation pose. You have to be in the state of meditation and posing it, maintaining it will help to relax your body, relax your muscle after your exercise session. Our next basic pose in this relaxation session is butterfly forward pose. You have to be in the relaxed position as you are kneeling down in the sitting position. Next, major and last pose of our today's exercise session is corpse. You have to lying down as like a dead body. Lying down on the mat in a relaxed manner will help in relaxation of your full body.